Well, hello, how's it going, everyone? Welcome back. Today, we are in a final test drive in a new school Icon FJ44. It started out life as a BTL 71 FJ40, and it is Icon FJ number 149. We're starting to get up there a little bit. I like that, feels good. This is a pretty straightforward build, as Icon builds go, that is. So this is, again, new school design package. It's finished in the Rocky Mountain gray color. We're running all of the usual new school trinkets and doodads, such as the CNC rear view mirrors, which are available on the website with multiple mount solutions for various applications. We're running the new school front and rear bumper systems, class 2 receiver in the rear with twin carriers, built-in hidden storage compartments, and reverse camera integrated as well. The winch is the 9.5 XI winch from Warren Industries. We upgraded that with the synthetic rope and the recovery pintle and goodie bag from ARB, and just the best quality stuff that we could find. Mechanically, we are running the 6.2 LS generation motor with the truck application FIAD injectors and intake, which gives us a more appropriate power curve for the torque demands of a truck versus a Camaro. We're running Dynatrac based Dana axles, specifically a 44 based assembly in the front with all possible upgrades, and a Dana 60 ProRock high pinion in the rear. And on the outer edges, you will find the Icon Sport brakes, which are Hydro Boost assisted and developed by us in concert with our ever so talented friends at Brembo. Exhaust is mandrel bent, TIG welded stainless steel. And we're running the 4L65E automatic, which is sending power through to the Atlas 2 twin stick part-time shift on the fly transfer case, 2-speed. What else can I tell you? We've got the aux front and rear LED lighting options on this truck. We're also running the removable roof rack and ladder system. The 3-layer, it's actually more than that because it's a 3-ply canvas, then a jute insulatory layer, and then another 3-ply, so let's call it a 7-layer German canvas top on a powder-coated steel substructure. And then we are running the ever so popular Chilowich textile option on the interior upholstery. Audio is NEX head unit, the 80 whatever 100 with wireless CarPlay, HD, radio, CD, and blah blah blah, everything you're going to need. Really nice navigation interface as well. There's an amp and bass, and in this case the client selected the elevated audio, so it has the nicer Focal K2 speakers with separates. Powder coated Teflon polyester hybrid aluminum body. Body is crafted by our friends at Aqualoo. It's 5052 H32 marine rated aluminum, 5/32 thick, unannealed, so it's literally built like a boat because it's built by boat makers predominantly. Really nice quality and longevity there. Visors are by our buddies at Rosen, so those are a tinted Lexan, machined aluminum double hard coat black anodized armatures. Those also are available on this site. In fact, we just added a new version of them that is quasi-universal and is easy to adapt to a wide range of vehicles. I don't know, it's just too damn hot. My brain ain't working so good. So I'm going to shut up. You're probably familiar with most of the details anyway. I will, however, remember to thank you for your time, attention, and kind support for our antics. We truly appreciate it. Me and all of my direct employee family, as well as our long list of sublets that we're able to support with your assistance. Any questions? Old school telephone is 818-280-3333. Facebook or Instagram is Icon4x4. Website is also Icon4x4. Stay safe, stay inspired, be healthy, and I'll see you on the next one.